Sure. Problem number 39, sir.
Problem number 39.
Yes, sir.
It has not been recorded. Okay, I will discuss. Not recorded. What happened? I don't know. Okay, I will repeat from 39 onwards. Don't worry. So good morning all. Let us start. So actually due to some technical problems, our last class has not been saved. So 39th question I'll repeat once again. 39th question. Integral 1 upon x square e to the power of x minus 1 upon x square dx equals to. You might be having the options, so directly I shall proceed for the solution. This x minus 1 by x square we can have 1 by x minus 1 we can write. Say t dt by dx equals to minus 1 upon x square minus 0. So minus 1 upon x square. So now dt equals to we can have minus 1 upon x square dx. So now this can be written minus integral of.
Sir, denominator is x, sir.
1 minus 1 by x, sir.
Is this correct?
Yes, sir.
Let us say now x minus 1 by x is equal to t. That is 1 minus 1 by x is equal to t. See dt by dx is equal to 0. 1 by x square derivative is minus 1 by x square, already minus we have, so 1 upon x square. This is 1 upon x square. dt is equal to 1 upon x square dx. So this can be written integral e to the power of x minus 1 by x into 1 upon x square dx. In the place of this x minus 1 by x t, so this is e power t, this will be dt. So e power t plus c, that is e power x minus 1 by x plus c. This is the answer. Okay, shall I move to next question?
No, sir. Okay, sir.
Right. Question number 40. Integral x plus 1 upon root of x square plus 2x plus 3 dx equals to, first option, root of x square plus 2x plus 3 plus constant of integration. Second one, 2 root of x square plus 2x plus 3 plus c. Third one, negative root of x square plus 2x plus 3 plus c. Fourth one, negative 2 under root of x square plus 2x plus 3 plus c. See, if you observe this problem, we cannot say x plus 1 as t, because if you say x plus 1 is equal to t, it is useless, because you are getting the derivative is 1. So if you just say, don't say root also, you consider only this function, x square plus 2x plus 3. If you say the derivative of x square plus 2x plus 3 as a t, the dt by dx becomes 2x plus 2, 2 common x plus 1. That means x plus 1 is the part of the derivative of x square plus 2x plus 3. So that it had better to say let t equals to x square plus 2x plus 3. Now dt by dx equals to, derivative of x square is 2x, 2x derivative 2. 2 common, we have x plus 1. Now dt is equal to 2 times x plus 1 dx. That means instead of 2 times x plus 1 dx, we can replace dt, whereas x square plus 2x plus 3 we can replace t. So now this problem becomes half times 1 upon root of x square plus 2x plus 3 multiplied 2 times x plus 1 dx. As it makes no difference, half times integral 1 upon this x square plus 2x plus 3 is t, that is root t. So this is nothing but dt. So we have one important result that already we have studied. Integral 1 upon root x dx is equal to 2 root x plus c. That means this can be written half times 2 root t. 2 will get cancelled. Again t substitute. x square plus 2x plus 3. Root of x square plus 2x plus 3 plus constant of integration. Yes, option 1 is right option. Absolutely correct. Option 1. Right, let us move to the question number 41. Question number 41. Integral x plus 1 upon x square plus 1 dx equals to. First option, half times log of mod x square plus 1 plus cos inverse x plus constant of integration. Second, half times log mod x square minus 2 plus tan inverse x plus c. Third one, half times log mod x square plus 1 plus tan inverse x plus c. Fourth one, half log mod x square minus 1 minus tan inverse x plus c. Right. So just split sum of the two integrals. This is integral x upon x square plus 1 dx right down plus integral of 1 upon x square plus 1 dx right down. The second term is the direct integration. Formula 1 upon 1 plus x square dx is tan inverse x. So that means either first option will be eliminated, fourth option will be eliminated. You will be getting either 2 or 3. But here we have x square minus 2. So obviously option is 3 only. But I will explain. Here x square plus 1 derivative is 2x. So this we can write half times 2x upon x square plus 1 dx. This is tan inverse x. Okay. But moreover, we have one important formula. Integral f dash x by f of x dx is there. For example, if you say f of x is equal to t, this f dash x becomes dt. 1 by t dt is log t. So this means log mod f of x plus c. Suppose in the numerator, the derivative of the denominator is there, then its integral becomes log of denominator. You remember, denominator is f of x. In the numerator, the derivative of the denominator. So log of denominator. See, here actually numerator is the derivative of the denominator. So its integral becomes log of x square plus 1. So this can be written of log mod x square plus 1 plus tan inverse x plus constant of integration. So third option is the right option.
Sir, one show previous page, sir.
With pleasure, with pleasure. Okay, till then I shall have a cup of tea. In school, which chapter is going on?
Real numbers, sir.
Hmm?
Real numbers.
number.
Real numbers.
Yes, sir.
10th class started.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, good, good. All the best. When do you expect your school will function?
Sir, once again repeat.
When will your school reopen?
We don't know, sir.
Uncertainty,
Yes, sir.
impossible event. As far as probability is concerned.
After December.
Maybe, sir.
Impossible event or certain event or sure event.
Impossible even.
Or equally likely event. Let us discuss in mathematical point of view only. So if you give the scale 0 to 1, what do you give the rating? Opening of your school. Because the probability of chance always lies between 0 to 1. It may be 0, it may be 1. But it cannot be negative or it cannot be less than 0. It cannot be negative and it cannot be more than 1. No, I think we start in 21st onwards. I'm as far as my concern. Hmm. 42nd. Integral 1 upon x times 2 plus 3 log x dx. So first option 1/3 of log mod 2 plus 3 log x plus constant of integration. Second 1/3 of log of mod 2 minus 3 log x. Third 1/3 of log mod of 3 plus 2 cos x. Fourth one 1 by 2 times log of 3 plus 3 log x. See, just using our common sense, how many options can we eliminate from this one?
Option 2, option 4, option 3.
Option 2, option 3, option 4. Obviously, answer is 1. That's all.
Yes, sir.
So one should have the common sense also. See, actually the questions, they won't frame in the examination like this, but they have designed like that.
Can we do our process by our own, sir?
Yes, process is very important. Okay. So whenever log is there, better actually here 2 plus 3 log x is there. So first let us consider what will happen. Let us see. It's an experimentation only, just like so medicines over COVID-19. They are doing a lot of doctors are doing a lot of experiments. So t is equal to 2 plus 3 log x dt by dx 0 3 upon x dt is equal to 3 upon x dx. So that means 1 by x is there here. This 1 by x can be written in terms of 3 by x also. No problem without changing its identity. Solution now it becomes like this. I equals to integral. So 1 upon 2 plus 3 log x times 3 upon x dx and multiplied with 1 upon 3. 3 will cancel, same thing you will get it. Now 1 upon 3 integral of 1 upon t, this is dt. See 1 upon 3 log t. Now you can expect answer directly. What is the answer? 1 upon 3 log times, sorry, log of
2 plus 3 log x
2 plus 3 log x
plus c.
plus constant of integration. See. So 43 integral 1 plus log x upon 1 plus x log x dx.
Sir, one show previous bit, sir.
With pleasure. Do you like online classes or offline classes? No answer.
Offline.
Offline, sir.
Totally offline.
Offline, sir.
Okay. But after going to the school, then you may say that you will change your ideology. Offline means what is the difference between online and offline means here? You remember, Nana? Just only the friendship, just like among it, we shall mingle with our friends and we shall share our lunch and we shall share our feelings or talk like that. But I think, in my opinion, it should be blended because now we are in 21st century, isn't it now? So in the 21st century, offline session will not, in my opinion, is not enough to your, just like your now present generation. The present generation needs a lot of technological developments. So absolutely online is not good, even offline is not good. It should be blended together. I hope offline classes may begin shortly, but everybody will say that offline classes are good only. But rather than that, even we need to encourage even online class also. I mean, new technology come up, AI coming up, artificial intelligence. Right. 43. We expect what is the answer?
Log of 1 plus x log x.
Yes. Log of 1 plus x log x. This is first option. Okay, I will take your option only. Second one is generally by mistake we can, when we have hurry, we can put this answer also. Sometimes you treat that, sometimes you may write by log of x log x also. Fourth, 1 plus x log x plus c. This is little bit confusing. Options are. Yes, you are absolutely correct. But we need to check whether 1 plus log x is the derivative of 1 plus x log x or not. So let us say t is equal to 1 plus x log x. So dt by dx equals to here 1 plus x into derivative of log x is 1 upon x plus log x times x derivative is 1. So this will be 1 plus log x. Now dt equals to 1 plus log x dx. So that means now the 1 plus log x dx can be replaced by dt. So this becomes I equals to, I'm writing directly, integral 1 upon t dt. This is log mod t. This is log mod 1 plus x log x plus c. Right. 44.
Sir, 1 minute, sir.
See, you know one thing, in developed countries, they won't entertain the school system. Generally, they prefer for homeschooling. You have heard about the word homeschooling? Homeschooling?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes. In developed countries, they prefer homeschooling itself. Homeschooling means you can design your own syllabus. You can go for anything. You can study anything. After that, certification, you may appear for any examination. So 44. Integral 1 upon x times 1 plus log x whole cube dx. First option, minus 1 upon 2 times 1 plus log x whole square plus c. Second one, 1 upon 2 times 1 plus log x whole cube plus c. Third, 1 upon 1 plus log x plus c. Fourth option, minus 1 upon 3 times 1 plus log x whole cube plus c.
Option 1, sir.
Could you justify your answer, Nana?
Let t is equals to 1 plus log x.
Okay,
dt by dx is equals to 1 by x.
right.
dt is equals to 1 by x dx.
Hmm.
Integral 1 by t cube dt.
Hmm.
1 by t cube integration minus 1 by 2 t square.
Good.
Substitute t minus
Yes.
1 by
Yes. So
of
whatever
1
you
plus
said,
log x.
everything that should be done in our mind itself only. Just like a chess game. So you need to expect at least 15 or 20 steps before actually you place the kite, you place the pawn. Okay. In the similar manner, actually here also, all these steps, what I'm actually writing, but all these should be done in our mind itself only. Let t is equal to 1 plus log x. Just we need to close our eyes. We need to expect all this, everything, just like everything should come in front of our eyes. dt by dx is equal to, yes, tell me, 0. This is 1 upon x. Now dt equals to 1 upon x dx. Sure, that's correct. So now 1 upon x dx is dt. This can be written now, I equals to integral of 1 upon t cube 1
Sir,
upon
dx,
three.
sir. You wrote dt again.
You are very attentive. Yes, I did mistake. I admit. dt. This is integral t power minus 3 dt. This formula, integral x to the power of n dx. X to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus constant of integration. N does not equal to minus 1. So this equals to t power minus 3 plus 1 minus 2 upon minus 2. This we can write minus 1 upon 2t square. So minus 1 upon 2 times 1 plus log x whole square plus c. 45. Right. Integral 1 minus tan x upon 1 plus tan x dx. First option, log of cos x plus sin x plus c. Second, log of mod of cos x minus sin x plus c. Third one, minus log of cos x plus sin x plus c. Fourth option, minus log of cos x minus sin x plus c. Here, some options may be eliminated. This may be eliminated and this may be eliminated. Either first or third. I will show you. See, 1 minus tan x by 1 plus tan x. T stands for tan. Oh, very good, very good, very good, very good. See, this t is equal to sin by cos. This is 1 minus sin by cos plus 1 plus sin by cos. This is cos minus sin by cos plus sin. See, derivative of cos plus sin is actually here. You will be getting cos minus sin. This is f dash x by f of x. Integral f dash x by f of x dx. This we can write log mod f of x plus c. So that means this we can write like this. Integral cos minus sin by cos plus sin dx. So if you say this is t, 1 upon t, the cos minus sin into dx is dt. Log mod t, that is equal to log mod cos minus sin plus c. That means, sorry, plus. This is t. So first option is the right option. Generally, to avoid the time factor, time management, to keep the time management, instead of cos sign, you can take, let us say, no problem. Any symbol you can take.
Sir, one show 44 questions, sir.
May I know your name? Okay, 44 shall I keep 44 or 45? 46. Integral 1 upon root x plus x. First option log of x plus root x plus c. Second log of 1 plus root x plus c. Third 2 log of x plus root x plus c. Fourth one 2 times log of 1 plus root x plus c. Say this root x plus x, you can have like this. Root x plus root x into root x. Take root x common. We have 1 plus root x. Here let us say 1 plus root x is equal to t. dt by dx equals to 1 upon 2 root x. Now dt equals to 1 upon 2 root x into dx. So now this problem can be written I equals to integral of 1 upon 1 plus root x into 1 upon root x dx. First I will write. You check root x into 1 root x into x. Now but we need 1 by 2 root x. Here 2 write down, here multiply with 2. Now this can be written to integral of 1 by t dt 2 log mod t. Tell me what is the answer?
2 log
Option.
mod 1
2 log x
plus
plus
root
root
x.
x plus 3.
Yes. 2 log mod 1 plus root x plus c. But mod is not mentioned, no problem. Okay.
Option 4.
Option 4. Yes. Option 4. Have you completed definite integrals?
No, sir.
Anybody, could you just recall me how many chapters so far we have completed?